Step 1. For this demonstration, we are going to be using a free AI tool called Leonardo AI. Open your browser and just type in Leonardo AI in your search bar. Click Get Started to continue, and then you want to click Sign Up and follow the steps. For me, I'm just going to log in with my Google account. Next, click on the image creation button, then you will be directed to the workspace. Guys, we are going to be using a prompt that I already pre-wrote here, so feel free to use whatever prompt you want to use, but I will add a file in the description to all of the prompts I will be using so you can download it to use same exact prompt if you want to follow along. We are also going to be using 3 different models to generate consistent characters with different dress codes for this method: the Phoenix model, the Cinematic Kino model, and the Leonardo Lightning model. For the Phoenix model, leave all others the same except change the image dimension to 16.9 since it's YouTube standard video size. After typing in your prompt, click Generate. I don't know about you guys, but these photos starting to look really good to me, so I'm gonna download this one. Let's go ahead and change the model for our second generation. Select the Cinematic Kino model, leave all other settings the same, and go down to Advanced Settings and change the model type to Leonardo Diffusion XL. Now click on the image plus icon and select style reference. We want to reference back to our first image we generated, guys, so that our next images look just the same but different clothes. Click upload. After our image has uploaded, type in or paste in your same exact prompt again and change just the preference of the clothes. In my case, I'm changing the blue jacket to green and yellow shirt to white. Now click on style and change the strength to low or keep it at mid, depends what look more closer to your character, but do not increase it to high. Now click generate. And these look really good, guys. Let me zoom in on a few. I think the face looks pretty similar as well. Just choose the best amongst the rest and download. Next, we will use the Leonardo Lightning model to test out another dress code. Keep all settings the same and change only the model type to Leonardo Diffusion. Change clothes color and click generate. But as you can see, photos downloaded from Lexica Art are in 9/16 dimension, and we cannot use it in that size for our avatar, guys. So we are going to resize our photo with a free AI tool called Adobe Firefly. Just go to the site, firefly.adobe.com. Sign up with your email. I'm just going to use my Google account, and then you will be welcome to the home screen. Scroll down to Generative Fill and click, then upload your image. Then click Expand. Click on a widescreen 16:9 ratio and let's expand the borders of our image and leave enough space down because Adobe Firefly is going to add a watermark so we can later be able to remove the watermark. After adjusting, just click Generate. Let's wait for the spaces to fill up. I don't like the look of that, so I'm just going to regenerate. I think I like this one. I'm just going to click download and voila, we now have our second character. So we are going to move to the next method, guys, but you can skip this step and move to the next part of this video if you have already generated your avatar. This next method is going suitable for you. If you want to use your personal image as your avatar and make it talk, then let's set up a studio for that image. We're going to be using a tool called Canva. So open your browser and type in canva.com in your search bar. Then sign up. You will now be welcome to the Canva dashboard. Canva is a free all-in-one design tool we use for all sorts of graphics work. From designing our YouTube thumbnails, channel arts, flyers, banners, and more. The free plan gives you access to lots of free tools, but if you want to take your design to the next level, you should consider their paid plans. Now let's create a blank page of 1920 by 1080. Next, upload your images if you already have them. For me, I am just going to download some free stock photos from a royalty-free stock photos and video site called Pixabay. If you want to follow along, then go to pixabay.com and join me. I'm going to search for a photo of a doctor in his or her office. I think I like this one. I'm going to download. I'm also going to download a hospital room background desk, a microphone, and a laptop to place on the desk during our design in Canva. Please feel free to use your own preferred images and style. When all of your photos are set, go back to the Canva workspace and upload all of your photos. Now click on an image to insert it on our blank page. Insert your background image first, then insert your character. Let's remove the white background behind our character to make it transparent. Click Apps and search Background Remover, then select the first option and click Open. Click Choose File and choose our avatar image and click Remove Background. Insert the Remove Background image and rescale it to your liking, then do the same for all of our other elements, the desk, microphone, and laptop. Make sure to remove their backgrounds too. Now let's add some blur to our background and add some color grading to give our character a professional look. Please follow closely. Now let's download our avatar image. Click on the share button in the top right corner and click download. Select PNG file type and download. Voila, we now have our 3 characters set. So guys, before animating our avatar, let's first change the clothes of our last 2 characters to have a variety of dress codes to choose from. Then we're going to use a free AI tool called Superlook AI. Go to your browser and type in Superlook AI in your search bar. Click Get Started, and you want to sign up with whatever method. I'm just going to sign in with my Google account like I usually do. You will now be welcomed to the Superlook homepage. Click Generate Look, and let's upload our avatar images, which we're going to be dressing up. When your photo is uploaded, click on Advanced Generation. As you can see, the original clothes of our character has been removed, leaving us with the opportunity to generate some new looks. Now, click Setup Look, select your gender here, and from the Styles section, select your preferred style. I'm just going to stick with the office style type and select the colors I want my character to appear in. For our first generation, I will go with blue and red. Now type in a short prompt just to clarify more on what type of image we're giving to the AI. I will type in a lady in her office, and when done, click Generate Look and wait for the magic. I know what you're thinking. It has a big watermark in the background. Haha. Yeah, don't worry, it's just a manner fix I'm gonna show you how to do for free. As I promised in this video, you're gonna learn how to use a lot of tools to take your YouTube journey to a whole different level, guys, so don't worry. All I ask if you find this video useful is to subscribe and like. I think I like the second photo best, guys, so I'm just gonna download this one. Now let's do another generation to give you a clearer picture of how this works. Click on Edit Setup to go back to the setup panel. I'm gonna go with red this time and generate. These look good, guys. I'm gonna download, and we now have 3 different dress codes for our second character. Now I'm gonna go back and fast forward the process for our next character. Just follow the same method. Everything is pretty much exactly the same. Enjoy the music and join me in the next step. Now that we have our both characters set, let's remove the watermark quickly. For this, we will go to a free AI site called watermarkremover.io and select the first option on the search page. When you're on the home page, just click upload image. The best part of this took, guys, is that you don't have to sign up before using, just do your thing. As you can see, it's an easy step. The watermark has been removed already. Just click on and download your photo. So guys, I did some additional dress codes in Superlook with additional colors, and I got my final looks, a pink and a purple dress codes for our characters. Next, we will upscale our images to 4K resolution as I promised, all for free. Open your search bar and go to the website IMG Upscaler. Click the first that says AI Image Upscaler. The homepage is a pretty straightforward process. Click on 400%, click on the image plus button to upload your image, one image at a time, guys. Then click start. After our image has loaded, click download, and voila, we now have our image in 4K resolution. I love this, guys. Now I'm going to fast forward the process to generate our next characters. Now let's add some brightness and saturation to these babies to brighten them up with more professional look and make them to start talking. Don't worry, guys, all the links to the websites we're using is going to be added in the description box below, so you're good to go. If you think you don't need to do this part, guys, you can just skip to the next step of this video, which is making your avatar talk. Now open your search and type in Photopea AI. Guys, Photopea is like the online version of Adobe Photoshop, but except that they're not the same, but pretty much everything from Adobe Photoshop looks exactly the same here, guys. Click on new project if you're following this step, guys, and let's create a sheet of 1920 by 1080. Or just click on FB event image, then click create. When the worksheet is open, click on file in the upper left corner, can click open to insert our image which we want to brighten. After our image is inserted, click on filters here and select camera raw filter. Now under the light section, let's adjust our exposure, contrast, highlight, and shadows. Under the color section, adjust your saturation and vibrancy. Just play around with these a little bit and you will get your perfect adjustments, guys. When done, click OK. To export your image, click on file again in the upper left corner, select export as, select PNG, leave everything else the same and click save. Voila, you now have your brightened characters. Now in just 1 minute. First, we will remove the watermark and then enhance our video to 2K. Open your browser and enter 123 apps, then click on the first option. On the homepage of 123 apps, scroll down and find remove logo from video, then click open file to upload our watermarked videos we've downloaded from Hagen AI and Artflow AI. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process. Click on remove logo and click and drag your mouse simultaneously to draw a shape around the area where the watermark is. Click on apply and voila, our watermark is removed. C'est pas difficile. Now that our watermark is removed, click on save in the down left corner, adjust compression bar and drag it to highest quality, then click export. Our video is now downloaded with no watermark. Now I'm going to fast forward the process for our next video, guys, and be informed that 123 apps gives users 5 free projects with any of the tool on their site per day. So if you want to create more projects, just create additional Google accounts to sign up with. Now let's get our 2K highest definition video in just 1 minute and be done from here. Open your browser and type in VMake AI. Then click on the login/sign up button in the upper right corner. Sign up with your preferred method. You will be welcomed and given 5 tokens to free users per account. So again, if you want to create more projects, then consider creating an account for your mom, dad, your bros, sis, or siblings. Haha. But seriously, guys, let's proceed. Close the welcome pop-up and find video quality enhancer. Then click upload to upload our videos. You can upload as many videos at once, guys, so add all of your videos. Now wait for VMake AI to perform its magic. I think our videos are ready now, guys, and they look really good. I'm gonna preview them so you see the quality. click on download full HD to download your full HD videos, or click download 5 seconds preview to get a free 5 seconds preview videos of your avatar. You can download unlimited 5 seconds preview videos even if you're out of tokens, guys. So enjoy. Now let's take a look of our final work.
Hey guys, Isaac here from the Isaac's AI Academy, and today is a demonstration of how we can create a talking avatar for free.
Hope you are already enjoying this session, and hopefully you can be able to create your own avatar at the end of this video completely free.